Hi children, in the previous class we have read about the different types of indicators. Today we will start the next topic, that is neutralization. Neutralization is a process or a chemical reaction in which an acid and basic substance is mixed with each other in order to neutralize their acidic and alkaline nature. So what does this statement means? That when an acid reacts with a base, it neutralizes each other's effect and the resultant solution is neither acidic nor basic. The product that is formed after neutralization is a salt along with the production of water. The salt can have basic, acidic and neutral nature. The salt that is produced may be acidic, may be basic or may be neutral. The neutralization process results in generation of heat, is very important, which raises the temperature of the reacting mixture. So, as a result of the reaction of neutralization, heat is produced and the resultant solution is heated up. A synthetic indicator that we have read earlier, often used for testing neutralization reaction. For example, phenolphthalein solution. This phenolphthalein solution is pink in color. When an acid is added to phenolphthalein solution, the solution turns colorless. So in acidic medium, this synthetic indicator named phenolphthalein turns colorless, indicating the presence of an acid. When a base is added to this phenolphthalein solution, the solution retain its pink color, indicating the presence of base. So I think neutralization process is clear. So we will move on to the equation that stands for neutralization. Here you can see is an acid and it is reacting with a base and it produces water along with the production of salt. Here, for example, an acid we have taken as HCl, hydrochloric acid, and we have taken a base named sodium hydroxide, and they are reacted together. Neutralization reaction takes place. As a result, water is produced along with the production of a salt named NaCl or sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is also known by a common name called common salt. Salt means any ionic compound formed from an acid or base reaction. What are ion? Over here the salt is sodium chloride. How it is formed? It is formed by the action of the acid HCl and the base NaOH, and water produced H2 and the salt NaCl. NaCl can get dissociated into some charged bodies, that is sodium positive and chlorine negative. These charged particles are called ions, and the compound that is formed by these ions is known as ionic compound. I think neutralization reaction is clear to you all. We will move on to the next topic, that is neutralization in everyday life. In everyday life, we experiences the neutralization reaction. We will deal with some of those experiences. First of all, indigestion. Often we come through indigestion. We know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in digestion of food, mainly protein. But sometimes the stomach releases too much of acids, which lead to indigestion or sometimes hyperacidity. Hence, we need to neutralize these extra acid by taking substances that are basic or alkaline in nature. and they are known as antacid. Often you have heard about these antacid from your parents. For example, milk of magnesia is a basic substance that can neutralize the acidic stomach. Ant bite. We are all familiar with this term ant bite. And when the ant bites, it gives irritation to the skin due to the toxic substance it releases. The ant bite contains an acid called formic acid, and it injects the acid into the skin while biting. Hence, we use a basic substance to neutralize this ant bite. For example, we can use baking soda, hydrogen carbonate, calamine solution, zinc carbonate to neutralize the effect of ant bite. Soil treatment. We all know for growing crops, we need a suitable type of soil. It should not be too much acidic or too much basic. Plants need a soil which is neutral in nature, but using chemical fertilization can turn it into acidic. To treat acidic soil, we use quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slacklime, that is calcium hydroxide. Quicklime is having a formula of CaO, and slacklime is having a formula of CaOH, whole twice. Basic soil can be treated by adding organic substances to it, as they releases acid while decomposing into the soil. Factory waste. The factory waste is mainly acidic in nature and cannot be directly dumped anywhere. If they are dumped anywhere, then the place where they are dumped will become acidic and harm the surrounding environment. Hence, bases are added to it before it fall off into the rivers or stream so that the aquatic life does not get harmed. So children, by this we are ending up this chapter. I think all of you have understood. Thank you children. Bye bye.